Learning English fast might sound impossible sometimes, especially when you see people struggling with vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. But the truth is, in 2025, learning English fast is easier than ever thanks to technology, new learning strategies, and smarter practice methods. Today, I'm going to share practical tips that actually work so you can start seeing results quickly without feeling overwhelmed. The first secret to learning English fast is immersion. What does that mean? It means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. And no, you don't have to move to an English-speaking country. You can create your own immersion environment right at home. Listen to English podcasts, watch movies or YouTube videos in English, read articles or books, and even change your phone and apps to English. The more you see, hear, and think in English, the faster your brain adapts. Next, focus on active learning, not just passive learning. It's one thing to watch English videos or listen to a podcast, but if you don't speak or write, your brain isn't fully engaged. Try repeating what you hear, summarizing it in your own words, or even recording yourself. This might feel awkward at first, but repetition and practice are the fastest ways to learn. In fact, when I first started practicing English daily, I recorded short daily journals in English. Listening back helped me notice mistakes and improve pronunciation quickly. Another powerful method is learning in context. Instead of memorizing long lists of vocabulary, focus on phrases and sentences you can actually use in real life. For example, instead of memorizing abundant or commence, learn phrases like, there is an abundant supply of water, or let's commence the meeting. Phrases like these help you think in English naturally and speak more fluently. Speaking of fluency, one of the biggest keys is speaking from day one. Many learners wait until they feel ready to speak, but that can take years. Don't wait. Start with small sentences, simple conversations, or even talking to yourself. You can describe your day, narrate your actions, or ask and answer questions aloud. The more you speak, the faster your brain adjusts to producing English naturally. I remember when I started narrating my daily routine in English, it felt silly at first, but within a few weeks, forming sentences became effortless and my confidence skyrocketed. Another tip for 2025 is using technology wisely. There are so many apps, AI chatbots, and language tools that can help you practice anytime, anywhere. You can chat with AI in English, get instant corrections, practice pronunciation with voice recognition, or even watch interactive lessons designed for your skill level. Technology allows you to practice continuously even when you're busy or on the go. Consistency is more important than intensity. Some people try to study English for hours in one day and then stop for a week. That doesn't work. It's much better to practice a little every day. Even 20 to 30 minutes daily, if done correctly, beats hours of irregular study. Think of English like exercise. Small daily sessions create long-term results. Another trick to learn faster is mixing learning methods. Don't just read or listen, write, speak, watch, and interact. For example, after watching a video in English, try summarizing it in writing, then explain it aloud, then discuss it with a friend or online community. This approach helps your brain process information from multiple angles, speeding up retention and fluency. Let me share a personal story. When I wanted to improve my English quickly, I made a challenge for myself. I would speak, read, or listen in English for at least an hour every day. I combined videos, podcasts, journaling, and chatting with AI. Within 3 months, my ability to understand and respond in English dramatically improved. I could have conversations that used to feel impossible. The key wasn't magic, it was smart, consistent, and immersive practice. Finally, mindset matters. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Embrace them, correct them, and keep moving forward. The fastest learners are the ones who practice boldly and learn from every experience. Confidence, curiosity, and courage are just as important as vocabulary and grammar. So in 2025, learning English fast is about immersion, active practice, speaking from day one, using technology, consistent daily effort, and smart learning methods. Combine these elements, stay persistent, and you'll see results much faster than you ever imagined. Thank you for joining me today on the English Hour. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to learn English fast in 2025. Start today, take small, consistent steps, and watch how quickly your English improves. I'll see you in the next episode with more practical tips to speak English fluently and confidently.